Folks, it's a pretty cold day out today, -9 degrees to be exact. So everyone's seen the whole thing where, you know, you throw the boiling pot of water into the air and it freezes nearly immediately. Well, I'd like to show as to why that happens and why it has to be boiling water and cold water will not freeze. Now, one of the things that heating the water does is atomizes the water. When it's getting ready to boil, it'll start to break apart into final little droplets, and then which increases the surface area, which allows it to boil off. Now this water here is cold. It's not hot. See, I mean, you can see it didn't even melt or anything like that. So as I spray it, you can feel right here it freezes nearly immediately. Here. That's ice. Boiling pot. Let's just get her warmed up, and we're gonna walk outside with her, and you'll see that as I throw this up, you should see a whole bunch of steam, and it should freeze almost immediately. And the reason being, while this water is boiling, it becomes atomized, and it's ready to give its heat off. Now, when you have hot boiling water, dry and cool air, as you throw it up, it's going to vaporize immediately and it's going to freeze because all the heat is left, because the steam will condense back into liquid and then back into a vapor, into an ice or a solid, and well, that's basically that. So here we go. Boiling water, right? You see it? Okay, quickly. And away we go. Cold water freezes off as soon as you throw it up in the air. And the reason being, it's not quite as atomized as boiling water or water that's been out of a sprayer. It's got to be hot water, or it's got to be broken up. It's kind of like it's not like if you take ice and you crush it, it melts faster. It's the same principle. So here we go. Again. We'll throw it. Not the same as with the boiling water or the water in the spray bottle. So the pot is boiling. Its surface area is at its greatest, being that it's atomized. When thrown into the air, due to the surface area and the fact that there's such a great temperature difference, the water is going to be thrown up, vaporize. It's going to condense into a liquid and then to a solid. And that's why you get the ice. Now, cold water, on the other hand, isn't so atomized. So basically, you throw it into the air. It doesn't really have the surface area or the temperature difference to give its heat off quickly enough to turn into ice in the instant of being thrown into the air.